Introducing the Rubbermaid 7x7 storage shed. This video will show you how to assemble the shed. The Rubbermaid 7x7 shed instruction sheet can be referenced alongside the assembly video to aid in part identification. Check local building codes, ordinances, restrictions, and applicable neighborhood governances prior to assembling. Choose a well-drained and flat area in your yard. To ensure proper assembly and performance, your storage shed needs to be built on a solid, level surface. Concrete or a treated wood platform is required. These are the tools you'll need to assemble your storage shed. Please review all assembly steps before beginning construction and review the parts list to make sure all parts are included. Step 1. Installing the floor. Place the front floor panel A onto your level surface. Place the back floor panel B onto the front floor panel A, ensuring that the joints of panel B overlap those of panel A so that the two panels connect. Secure the two panels together with 9 F1 screws. Do not over-tighten the screws. Step 2. Installing wall panels E and F. Use the screwdriver to clear the 4 holes located at the top of back wall panel F. Be sure to push through from the interior side of the wall. Apply a drop of liquid soap to each dovetail on panel F. Align tabs of wall panel E into the slots in floor panel B. Push downward until you hear a click. Connect wall panel F to wall panel E by aligning the male dovetails on panel F to the channels in panel E and sliding down. Align tabs of wall panel F with the slots in floor panel B. Push downward until you hear a click. Step 3. Installing wall panels C and D. Use the screwdriver to clear the 2 holes located at the top of front wall panel D. Be sure to push through from the exterior side of the wall. Apply a drop of liquid soap to each dovetail on panel D. Align tabs of panel C into slots in floor panel A. Push downward until you hear a click. Connect wall panel D to wall panel C by aligning the male dovetails on panel D to the channels in panel C and sliding down. Align tabs of wall panel D with the slots in floor panel A. Push downward until you hear a click. Step 4. Installing sidewall support S3. Place S3 sidewall support at the joint of wall panels C and E. Secure with wall connector WP1 in 4 locations. Step 5.
Introducing Duotech by Keter, a groundbreaking material based on innovative technology and smart engineering. Duotech outdoor products feature a natural look and feel. They are rigid, strong, easy to assemble, and offer complete resistance to all weather conditions. Duotech products are also easy to paint, modify, and personalize. Duotech, best to build on.
Organizing your garden supplies and extra storage boxes has never been this easy. The 15 by 8 foot garden building from Lifetime Products gives you the extra space necessary to keep your backyard and garage looking good. The spacious 109 square foot interior and heavy duty construction makes it perfect for your storage needs. The shed includes 2 shatterproof windows with decorative shutters, 6 skylights, and 2 screened vents. To help organize the interior, it also comes with 2 90 by 9 inch shelves, 4 corner shelves, and 2 16-inch peg strips with hooks. The steel reinforced doors create a 4.5 by 6 foot high opening. Lifetime sheds and garden buildings are specifically designed to have more headroom through the entrance than any others on the market. And with our lockable doors and internal latching mechanism, your items will be safe and secure. The interior of our garden buildings has a 6 foot, 8-inch interior height from floor to roof truss, making it easy to walk around, stack boxes, and store pretty much anything. The convenient centralized location of the doors on the garden building allows for easy access to your storage without having to climb over things to reach items stored in the back. Lifetime also offers additional shelves and accessories, allowing you to get creative with the interior of your shed and customize it to fit your needs. The Lifetime 15 by 8 garden building is proudly made in the USA and is constructed of UV-resistant, high-density polyethylene. Our proprietary UV protection makes our buildings resistant to heat and extended exposure to harmful UV rays. They are resistant to the outdoor elements and will not fade, warp, chip, or peel. Unlike other sheds, Lifetime garden buildings are low maintenance, stain resistant, and keep their design and good looks for years to come. So put away your buckets of stain and paint. You will never need to paint or varnish a Lifetime garden building. Lifetime uses blow molding technology, which makes the walls, roof, and floor panels double-walled for added strength and durability. Many companies only use injection molding, which gives weak single-wall construction that turns brittle and can't stand up to the outdoor elements. Our double-walled buildings also have heavy-duty steel reinforcements to ensure superior strength and durability. The steel provides extra strength and support to eliminate warping or bending in the wall and roof panels. With an 1,800-pound total snow load capacity, our garden buildings have a heavy-duty steel-reinforced roof, and the high-pitched design allows for quick drainage of rain and snow. Lifetime garden buildings are not only built for strength and durability, they also have an attractive appearance and design to accent the beauty of your backyard. So let a Lifetime garden building be your gardening and storage solution. With its durability and good looks, it will be the envy of your neighborhood.